Hello and welcome to our channel, Coaster Mum Claire. Today we are at Kolmarden Zoo in Sweden. We're all very excited. We're joined by our family from Denmark today as well. So there's quite a few of us. This combines our two favourite things, animals, and there's also a certain roller coaster right at the back of the park, an RMC.
By the name of Wildfire.
Yay! We're all so excited to check this park out.
I'm going on it with part of my family, Jonny.
Yeah, you are. You and Jonny are going to go. Jonny hasn't actually been on a roller coaster for about, how long is it, Chloe? Did you say about 10 years, was it?
Well, we have to ask him.
So joining us today, there's Nilla and there's Bailey. Bailey, say hi.
Say hello, baby. Hey, Jonny, do you want to sit next to me or not?
And we have baby Audrey.
Hold on.
And Jonny. Oh, he's over there going to the car. And of course we have Vince with us, John, Chloe.
Hello there.
Really? Come on.
Leo. Oh, no, sorry, Amy. No, Amy. Leo. I think it's about 10 years since he's been on one, so yeah, I think he's gonna love Wildfire. I've heard it's really smooth and fast and intense, and I can't wait. And I can't wait to see the rest of the park as well, so we will take you on inside.
I can't hear Wildfire.
Wildfire's right far back.
Well, we're in Kolmarden Zoo now. We're having a walk up to the back of the park towards Wildfire. And I'll make our way back down towards the front. There's baby Audrey. Nilla.
Ah, smiley girl. Oh.
My son Jonny. And grandson Bailey.
Right, three.
On a race.
They're from Denmark. Johnny's having a race with Leo up the hill.
Park map. Wildfire's all the way over here. We've got quite a walk. Keep us fit though. Oh, I see a coaster. Ah, it's a runaway train. Got a nice little family coaster. Are you going to ride with Jonny on Wildfire, Leo?
Yeah.
Take your jacket off, Bailey.
It's going to be easy. Jonny's a little bit scared for you.
Are you going to hold his hand?
See the bear, Bailey? First impressions of the zoo here is it's lovely. And the animals have got loads of space. Really big enclosures. Capybara, is it, Leo?
Yeah, it's a capybara.
Is that what it says on the sign over there?
Yeah.
Capybara. The Rias may bite. It must be a Rias.
Capybara.
Well, it's a heck of a marathon to Wildfire. We're making our way there. I think we're 10 minutes away now.
Well, we're nearly at Wildfire.
Yeah.
You can see a little bit of it in the distance.
Going on it, Leo. Yeah, I've gone on Wildfire. You think I'm scared?
There's Wildfire going up the lift hill. Tiger on the rock over there, Leo.
Oh yeah, I love this
Crash bush here.
There's the beast over there behind the trees. Can't wait to go. Oh, there it goes.
It doesn't really matter where you get, what seat you get.
Länge sedan det är därför så stilen man köper tåg på jättelänge.
Well, we're in the queue for Wildfire, and Leo says he's going on it. Definitely going to do it, Leo?
Yeah, this is a great one for me to start on.
It is.
Kind of like Untamed, like Mummy said.
Well, it's a bit different. It has got as many inversions and not as much airtime.
It's only the best thing about
Here goes Wildfire. Hopefully we'll be on the next train. And Leo, what are you on, Leo?
Wildfire.
Wildfire. Leo's first RMC. He was going to do Untamed, but he wasn't too sure about it.
Yeah.
And now he said he's actually going to do Wildfire. I think all them rides on Boulder helped you, didn't they, yesterday?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
I could do this easy if I'd done Boulder.
Really excited about this, aren't we, Leo? I'm excited about this.
Very.
First ride on Wildfire on the back row.
Yeah. We went to Visa yesterday. We went on the Visa planner, and that's very similar, isn't it, to get on.
Put your arms up, please.
Okay?
Here we go. On Wildfire. Let's mark this a little bit higher. We'll go on the back.
Hello. We're on Wildfire.
Excited, Claire?
I'm very excited.
Look at that view over to your left.
Are you okay? Yeah. Embrace it. Enjoy it.
Claire?
Yes?
Look at the view over to your left.
Wow, look at that view.
Yeah.
That. Oh my god, yeah. That's beautiful. Oh, we're going to get
The
it.
view from the lift hill on Wildfire.
You okay, Leo?
Gorgeous.
Is this far
Oh,
right
now we're down here. Whoa. Here we go. Way! Yay! Upside down, Leo! Upside down again! Wow!
That was easy.
Leo, you've done your first upside downs now, Leo. Your first inversions on a roller coaster.
Good, wasn't it?
How did you find it?
See what I mean about the first drop? They're not
What
I
do you
really want to
think?
go on that again. That's well good.
It's well good, isn't it? Yeah.
Mum,
That
I've
was a
finally done
fantastic
upside
first
down.
ride on Wildfire back row.
Woo, woo, woo.
Back into the station.
Oh my days. So me, Chloe and Leo have just come off Wildfire. That was absolutely fantastic. It had speed, airtime. Chloe and Leo were on the very back row. I was like one in front of them, but what a coaster, so smooth, and I can't,
guess what?
and Leo is so proud of himself. He's done his first RMC, the first time he's done a coaster with inversions. I'll let him tell you about it. How was it, Leo?
Very good. Went upside down and everything. Very
You were
good.
loving it, weren't you?
While we were on Wildfire, John, Vince and the others all came something to eat and drink. And I've got a bottle of beer here off John as well. Filming.
Oh, yeah. I thought you was talking to yourself.
No, I always talk to myself when I'm filming.
I didn't realise it was
You enjoy your hot dog you had before, Daly?
Yeah, you did. What? All done now? Okay.
We're going to get Vince on Wildfire, aren't we? Yes. No ifs or buts about it. It's a yes, Vince.
And now 2 more of these. Oh.
It's not as no, it's not as what you would say, what we loved, but you'd called vile.
Vile.
As Untamed.
What you got? Oh, he likes his new balloon.
What do you need to say? You need to say.
So Leo, for being a brave boy, show everybody what you've got. Being a brave boy, gone on wildfire.
A cute baby sea lion.
We've just got some fish and chips for dinner. Are you ready for wildfire, Johnny?
If the queue's not too long.
It's not too bad.
The impressive looking wildfire. Leo is just itching to get back on it now. He's had one ride.
Yeah, I want to get back on it.
I know you do, Leo. We all want to get back on it, but at the moment the queue's a bit big because I think the show's just finished and hundreds of people all came out at the same time. They've all headed straight for the coasters. Claire and myself were discussing whether we preferred this or Untamed at Wallaby Holland. So I'd say for the setting, definitely this one. If you want loads of ejected airtime, Wallaby Holland would be the better. But for just for a ride experience with the setting and the views at the top and the location, I don't think you can beat this. Absolutely beautiful coaster. It's a masterpiece of engineering, this. She goes over there. Three inversions.
Upside down.
Hang on. There's three inversions, Johnny. You got a dolphin in the way of my video. Johnny's joined us for a ride on Wildfire. When's the last time you were on a coaster, Johnny?
15 years ago.
Oh, I thought it was 10. I said 10 years.
So his first coaster ride in 15 years is an RMC Wildfire at Kolmarden. You can't get much better than that, can you?
The best coaster in, well, one of the best coasters in Europe.
Well, we've got Johnny on Wildfire.
Can't see any picture on there.
Unless you can show me.
Yeah?
He's a bit worried about his beard in case it flies off. Is it stuck on? I don't know whether he's used super glue or...
Have to hold it.
And there's no actors allowed on the train.
I think you can't come out anyway, can you? Because you're going downhill so fast.
Well, we're on a second row. We couldn't get to the front because it had been reserved. We did actually wait one train to try and get the front, but I don't think it's make a lot of difference because the front of the train is quite high, so I couldn't just have the chest mounted low as normal. So I'm going to have to sort of keep it up a little bit. But look at that view over there, Leo. Look at that view, Johnny. Wow, it's amazing. What a setting this has got. There's the cable cars there. And here we go. Arms up in the air. Yeah! do you think of that, Johnny?
It's bloody awesome.
Awesome, isn't it? Yeah.
How was it?
It's brilliant, wasn't it?
What do you reckon, Leo?
Yeah, love it, love it, love it.
It's fantastic, isn't it?
First drop is incredible.
A superb ride on Wildfire. Love it.
We just had a second go on Wildfire. We tried to get the front but we couldn't. We were about row 2. That was absolutely incredible again. The view on that first drop is absolutely amazing. And I think for that and the setting of it, I put it slightly above Untamed. Wowza, I'll have to try and get some more goes on it later. That's been a bit of a queue for it today because I've heard that normally it doesn't have much of a queue, but
so
today...
guys, alright, Pegasus number 3, Boulder in number 2, Wildfire in number 1.
Wildfire's like the biggest coaster Leo's ever done, isn't it?
Yeah.
So proud of you. How was your first ride on Wildfire?
I loved it. Do it again if you can.
You look like you're injured. We'll try and get back round later. I was hoping the queues go down a little bit.
He's just been on that big coaster, Bailey.
He went on that big ride.
Daddy's been on a big coaster.
Ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah.
John's gone from wearing tracksuit bottoms on his head in Alton Towers, wearing a Gulliver's cape, poncho thing, that's like Heron, and now he's walking around with a dolphin on his head. Goes with your shirt though, John, same colour,
Yeah.
matches.
Dead end.
He wants a tummy tickle. It's like Coco, that, Leo, isn't it? I realise. He wants his belly tickled. Coco's our dog, Labrador. Leo's crashed the Jeep. Beware of tigers.
Maybe not people back.
So we're going to go on the cable car safari now.
We're just going to try and join the queue now. Hopefully it's not too long for the Jungle Safari, which is the cable car, the gondola that goes around the park. Like the camel, Amy? Like the camel? Yeah. We're now on the safari ride at Kolmarden Zoo. The cable car. I'll just spin the camera around and look at the front. That's the view you get from the top of Wildfire.
Is it?
Yeah.
Were you moving too quick to see anything?
You know, when you get on the top of the lift hill up there and go over the lift hill. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous.
We assume in the middle.
Shouldn't have the bears before over there.
Let's go for a stroll.
Hi, Kit.
Cats! Hello, cat.
Can you see the bear, Leo?
Okay.
Can you see the bear, Amy? Can you see it down there?
See it. Wow.
Oh, good.
An ostrich there.
Oh, also, let's go. I just saw.
Oh, them down there.
Yeah.
The ibex have well-adapted hooves that have protection against the strong sun up in the mountains.
Oh, look at him. He's just chilled. Now, Cappy, don't drop it.
Red blood cells with an increased
Oh!
Where are we going?
John will have his arms up in the air again in a minute. There he is. This is a roller coaster.
Right.
I'll see you coat then.
Was you filming when I went, oh?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I wasn't. I've been taking pictures now.
They are threatened in nature by shrinking.
It's lovely to just see them roaming as they should.
Yeah.
Innit?
Building foundation
There's a giraffe there coming along.
conservation projects out in Africa, which helps to save zebras in the Amazon.
He's right by you, look here.
Oh!
Rewards is
Hi guys.
in handling and reduces the need for anaesthesia.
Hello.
Training also provides
Ah.
physical activity and exercise for the brain.
All right, mate.
Kolmarden. We've been saying it wrong. We've been saying Kolmarden. It's Kolmarden. Kolmarden.
Because the bull has large antlers, whilst the cow has no antlers at all. In winter, when the bull has lost its antlers,
Trees somewhere.
Okay. Have you stopped? Whoa, why have we stopped? Stop.
To feed you to the lions, Leo. Lazy lions.
so yummy. Reported annually.
See him, Leo.
Everything
Oh, there's one lion on his back again. He wants a belly tickle as well.
But our lions don't need to think about this. They mostly lie down and relax, just like that.
That's so funny the way they lie.
That's good, isn't it?
Jake does that a lot.
Does he?
What?
On the bed. Oh, he's on his back now, that's doing.
That means they trust you they feel safe. Because it's a vulnerable position for them.
On the way walking here, we spoke to a member of staff, and he mentioned that Wildfire took 18 months to build, and the Swedish labour did all the foundations, but most of the rest of the ride was erected by mainly English and Irish workers. Apparently RMC were on site supervising. Here we are, coming to the end of the
Yeah, when we go
safari ride.
yeah.
Yes, that was really well worth doing that safari ride. Lovely just seeing the animals just roaming free. So much open space. Did you enjoy that, Claire?
I loved it. That was really good.
You enjoyed it,
Really
yeah?
good.
Yeah, me too.
It's very different, isn't it, to anything that I've ever done before.
I'm going higher and higher and higher.
He's going on Wildfire next. And he's going to put his hands up and everything, aren't you, John?
Did you like that, Amy? Did you like that? Yeah? And Vince has actually come on it now, and he's on with Leo, but they're on the second row from the front. I told them to go there because, although it's not a rough coast by any means, they say it's actually smoother at the front.
Yeah.
So,
I don't think any other coaster will have a view like that, would it? Here we go!
and over we go! Whoa! Wow, fantastic.
Running faster now.
Yeah, it is. Well, it's as all coasters do, the more they warm up, they go faster during the day, don't they?
This is warmed up now. That was amazing.
How was that, Vince?
Going on it again, Melissa.
Horrendous. Well, we just had 2 back-to-back rides on Wildfire, and Claire and Leo's actually had 3. They've gone on again. I've come off to join up with John, Leo and Amy. Fantastic coaster. It seems to sped up during the day, but I've noticed, unless it was the seats, there's a little bit more of a rattle. It's not quite as smooth as it was earlier, unless it's just the seats we had. But whoa, what a fantastic coaster though. Love it to bits.
So myself and Leo have just marathoned Wildfire, haven't we?
Yep, and guess what I've got?
Show everyone what you got. Wildfire shirt.
Yay!
I think we've had about 8 in a row then or something, didn't we? It just went really quiet towards the end, so we didn't even have to go back round and queue up. We just marathoned it. It was absolutely fantastic.
The park is actually now closed. I'm still walking towards the exit. Just walking out, there's a great big children's play area here, which we didn't see before. I think we've only seen a fraction of the actual zoo really, because we were so keen to get on Wildfire. The safari ride was fantastic.
Wildfire.
A little children's amusement area at the zoo.
Absolutely, but it totally blew us away.
There's one of the family coasters there, which we haven't done today. We've lost out on the 2 family credits. We sacrificed them for the extra rides on Untamed. I keep saying Untamed. I'm in Sweden now, not in the Netherlands. We sacrificed the family coasters for the extra rides on Wildfire.
Well, that's it from us today. We've had a lovely day at Kolmarden Zoo. Saw lots of animals. We absolutely loved the cable car safari. Something very different that we've never done before. Wildfire was fantastic. It exceeded our expectations, and this would be definitely somewhere where we'd come again, and also highly recommend if you find yourself in this area of Sweden. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe to us, and also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we shall see you very soon. Bye for now.